You ever use CareCredit to finance a medical treatment, then months later, $1,000 got added to your balance? Look, a lot of people fall for this, so tune in and let's go over why this happened. We all know medical treatment is not cheap in today's world, especially in 2026, where one simple teeth issue can cost you thousands of dollars, and anything else that's relating to health or wellness or fitness or anything like that, it costs a lot of money in today's world with inflation. These business owners and dentist office, they have bills, the rent is high. So a lot of these services have to charge a lot of money just to be able to afford to give you a service. So with that being said, a lot of these medical treatments and services also cost a lot of money as well. So, you know, a lot of people are looking into ways to where they can get these medical treatments that they really need for their health, but they don't have the money for it in 2026 when 5 things in your grocery buggy at the store costs over $200, right? And you got food you have to buy, you have kids, there's more expenses that you have. So a lot of people, when it comes to their health and there's, you know, some sort of emergency, they have a cavity, whatever the case is, it's going to cost thousands of dollars to get that taken care of. So, you know, a lot of people look into financing things on their credit card, but then that's 20-something% interest that's added. But a lot of these medical places, they offer CareCredit, and CareCredit is a product, basically a credit card for medical treatments. And they offer these 0 interest plans. And a lot of people, you know, when they hear 0 interest, they're just like, wow, same as cash. Why would I spend my cash when I have bills to pay when I can just finance it at 0% interest? But here's the issue. A lot of people sign up for CareCredit, and then months down the road, they get hit with $1,000 balance out of nowhere. And they're like, what? I only had a few dollars left to pay off. What happened here? So, you know, tune in and kind of understand what's going on here. So from the start, we talked about CareCredit being a credit card product that hospitals and doctor offices and dentists use for their customers to finance services, right? So a lot of times if a service costs $6,000, instead of this client going, oh, I don't have that type of money, or no, I'm just going to contact you back and I'll come back, we all know they're not going to go back. So these services, they try and save the sale is what I like to call it, and they offer CareCredit. CareCredit, again, is a product that is used to finance medical treatment. So CareCredit offers these 0 interest promotional plans. They have 6 months 0 interest, they have 12 months 0 interest, I believe they have 24-month 0 interest plans. So a lot of people hear 0 interest and they hear 24 months, 6 months, 12 months, and you know, they don't understand that this balance has to be paid in full. And you kind of understand where I'm going with this. Everything is a catch, right, in life. So, you know, a lot of times, let's say if your medical treatment was $6,000 for some sort of medical procedure that you had done, and the office tells you, hey, you don't got the money for it, finance it through CareCredit is 0 interest, we can get you approved right now. And you hear that and you're like, oh yeah, I can get this treatment done. I won't be in pain anymore. I can get my teeth fixed. I can get my, you know, whatever medical things that you have going on, you can get that taken care of. And a lot of times people hear 0 interest and it sounds good, right? So let's say if you went somewhere and the treatment was $6,000 and it's 0 interest for 12 months. Well, here's the catch. The monthly payments are not designed to pay off that $6,000 in 12 months. So just like a credit card, you're probably paying what, $25, $30 a month on this $6,000 balance. And that's nowhere near $6,000 at the end of the year, right? Or within 12 months. So the issue is their promotion states, if the balance is not paid in full before the 12-month term is over, then whatever the interest would have been based on 33% APR, whatever the interest would have been based on the original balance and every month leading up to 12 months, we are going to add that interest back to your balance. So that's the promotion. That's the catch. It is 0 interest up to 12 months. But if that balance is not 0, then all of the interest you would have paid is added back to the card. So let me break it down. $6,000 balance originally, And even if you pay it off $5,999 and the balance was literally just $1 at the end of the 12 months, they will add $1,057 to your balance. And now you have to start, not all the way over, but now you have to start all the way over as far as paying off over $1,000 all back over again, even if you only had $1 left. So, you know, me being in the credit repair industry, I see a lot of this on people's credit reports. I see a lot of charge-offs from CareCredit. I see a lot of late payments on CareCredit accounts because people assume that they have paid all of this money off. For example, let's just say you paid off a $3,000 CareCredit card and you had maybe $200 left by the end of the promotion, but the very next week you went on and paid off the $200. So you're assuming that everything is good because you paid it off and you threw the card away, or you just, you know, you never access the account again because in your head you're like, oh, it's paid, I don't have to worry about this anymore, woohoo. But guess what? By the next statement date, that interest that you would have paid from the beginning every month since is now added to your account, and you're not thinking about it. If you don't log back in, well, now that becomes a charge off on your credit report. And look, I've seen this drop people's scores by at least 60 to 80 points. So, you know, this is something that is common in today's world with the cost of living and inflation and everything. A lot of people are using CareCredit to finance their medical treatments or procedures just because they hear zero interest. But guys, remember, the monthly payments are not designed for you to pay off the balance at the end of the 6-month or 12-month or 24-month term. So it's very important that you pay attention, you read things when you apply for it, and if you do everything correctly, you won't put yourself in a hole. But if you get misled or if you don't pay attention, it's not hard to put yourself in a hole. That is all for this episode, and I hope this helped anyone out there today that this has happened to, and maybe this has cleared up why your balance has increased. Or if you're a current user of CareCredit, hopefully this episode has reached you to where you can look out for this at the end of your term.
Stirgus Credit Repair. If you want a new house, call us.